What's going on, everybody? It's Dave from the parts department. Let's keep talking helmets, my friends. So we're going to talk another carbon helmet. I love carbon helmets. I love how light they are. I love they're going to reduce neck strain. They're going to allow you to take more enjoyable, longer rides. And on a carbon helmet, because it's a higher price point helmet, you're going to get improved liner materials. You're going to get more comfy feel, right? This is the Airframe Pro Carbon. And it is awesome with gold accents, gloss carbon shell, airframe spoiler in gold, optional gold visor comes with the helmet. The only bad thing about this helmet is the fingerprints it shows. So, rad helmet, $550, super light, way lighter than any of the other Icons I have in stock. And I'm gonna try to keep a full size run for you guys so you can come on in and pick one up whenever you need. While there is an upgraded antimicrobial liner to this, I wanted to touch on taking care of your new helmets. So, Muc-Off helmet care kit, interior cleaner, exterior cleaner, anti-fog, and a microfiber cloth, all included, all at 40 bucks, man. So protect your investment. You're gonna take longer rides rocking your lighter carbon helmet. You're gonna enjoy those longer rides. You're gonna get bug spatter and you're gonna sweat. This is gonna happen. So let's keep your helmet unstinky and not covered in bug guts for 40 bucks. Talk to you guys soon.